miss you. Anne.
I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw you.
No, Gilbert has a crush on you, right?
What? No, he doesn't.
Anywhere I go, there you
You have a crush on Gilbert?
Anywhere I go, there
You're not leaving school, or...
I've been getting used to waking up with you.
Mike.
Getting used to waking up.
There was this girl back in Avenue.
Anywhere I go, there you
Anne. Beautiful.
Anywhere I go, there you
If I feel something for a girl,
She was a redhead, fiery temp.
does that mean that she is the one that I should marry?
One time I called her carrots. She whacked me over the head.
You just did.
Anyway,
Nothing romantical about this letter. Nothing whatsoever. You will be a wonderful doctor. Caring deeply will always be the right thing.
she's just a friend. Yeah, a friend that make you smile and act like a moron.
Do you love this Gilbert life?
Well, I don't know. I've never loved anyone like that.
Anne.
You're back.
Yes.
Since we met,
You know she'd stand up for any one of you, even in spite of what you're saying about her.
you're miles away, but I still feel you.
There's no gold.
I go, there you are.
Dear Anne,
That's not why I'm here.
I go, there
It's
you
really good to see you.
He loves me.
late at night.
But what if romance spoils our friendship? I won't let it.
She'd do what was right.
that's who she is. You are the fond object of my affection and my desire. After all these years, who knew you'd make such a good T-E-A-M? You and you alone are the keeper of the key to my heart.
Tragical romance and all.
Last night I asked Anne if she thought there was a chance for us.
I miss you.
Yeah?
He said, boy, when you know, you know. And
I don't understand. What's holding you back? I love him. I love Gilbert Blythe.
I'm not engaged, nor will I be, unless it's to you, Anne, my Anne with an E. Just one thing. You all right, miss?
Let's go.
You're welcome. It always has been, and always will be. You.